Hey, what's going on, guys? In this video we are going to see how to create a link in using HTML. Here we have a normal HTML code right here. You can see we have HTML head and the title, and then we have the body. Now what we are going to do is we are going to create the link in the body. Now let's see how to create that. Now let's just type this will be a link. Okay, let's just type this will be a link. This will be a link, and I serve this one, and then you open this web page, and let's see what we get. Now you can see we are getting the same paragraph as like this. We don't get any link. Now in order to add a link, what we have to do is we have to just type a. We have to just type a and then close the a as well. Close the a backslash a, so it's going to get closed. Now let's save this one and refresh this one again, and you can see still we don't have the link. The reason is, okay, we created the link pattern, but we don't know, like, if we creating link, it has to go somewhere, right? It has to have a web page or some kind of things we are connected to it. That's why it's still in the paragraph form, like it doesn't have a link right yet. Now create a link. What we have to do is this a, we have to type href equal to whatever the address we want to go to, we want it to go to. Like for example, I'm just typing http://google.com, and then I close the quotation mark. Once I done that, and if I refresh this one again, okay, I have to serve this one first, serve and refresh this one again, you can see we are getting a link, and if I click this link, it's going to go to google.com, Google page, and that's how we create a link. Now we can do the same thing for, like, we can connect web pages, you can connect your website, or you can connect another file as well. Now let's see how to do that. Now I create another file. I'm just going to copy the exact same thing and paste it right here, and here I'm gonna do some small changes and here I'm gonna just type, I'm gonna get rid of this and just type this is the second page, and I serve this one, file serve as, and when you're serving, make sure you're serving in the same folder. My one is I'm serving in the HTML and CSS in desktop, so I'm going to serve this one there as well, and here I'm going to just put second, and don't forget to serve this one as HTML, that is hyperlink. It should start with H, hypertext markup language, so that's the one you have to save. Served. Now we are served. Now we have to do some small changes here in order for this one to open that page. Now the small changes are instead of this google.com, we're just going to type the page name. Let's change this now. This will be a link to the second page. And here I'm going to change this one into whatever the name we created. Here second.html is our name. I am connecting this one to that, so second.html. like that. If you have a website, you can connect to anything. Here I just want to connect these two things, and I'm just serving right now, and then opening this file again, index, and here you see this will be a page to, okay, this will be a link to the second page, and when I click it, it's going to the second page. Now you can now we know how to create a link using HTML. We can connect website, we can connect pages, we can connect so many things with a link. And that's all I want to talk in this video. I hope you guys find this video helpful. Thanks for watching. See you guys on the next video.